Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the characteristics of chemical reaction. Okay, this is for CBSE 10 as well as SSLC. Okay, my name is Sandeep sir from Vijay Tutorial. Okay, your admission is open for the academic session children 2024-25. If any one of you are interested for online as well as offline classes, please contact me at this number 8050644272. For offline centers is there in Hoshala Circle, Kengiri Satellite Town, Bangalore. We have a branch in Kumalgudu, Bangalore also. Okay. Now first we'll see the characteristics of a chemical reaction. Okay. How can we identify that chemical reaction has taken place? By some observations. Every chemical reaction is having some kind of characteristics. There are generally 5 characteristics. We will see one by one. First is change in a state. Whenever there is a change in a state during the chemical reaction, during the process, then we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. A state in the sense means S stands for solid. Here we will use a terms. For example, L for liquid, G for gas. Children, states of matter you study 9th standard, right? So here you can take water. Water is liquid state. When you do the electrolysis means you pass the electric current through water, you will get hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, H2 gas and O2 gas is evolved. Okay, so we can see that clearly you can see that there is a change in a state, liquid to gaseous state. Okay, this is the first characteristic. Next one, change in color. Change in color, if you see, take one example, copper sulfate. Prepare a solution of copper sulfate which is blue color, right? In that you put iron nails or iron filings, Fe, iron. So what will happen? Here displacement will take place. Iron will displace the copper and will form FeSO4 plus copper. The color will change from blue to green. Okay, so this is also one of the characteristics of chemical reaction. Third characteristic is, student, change in temperature. When we talk about change in temperature, either temperature increases or decreases during the process, then we can say that chemical reaction has taken place. For example, when you burn the coal, so coal, C is coal, react with oxygen, give you what? CO2 plus heat. Heat is generated. We can say that it is a chemical reaction. Next characteristic is what? Evolution of a gas. When during a process a gas is evolved, then we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. For example, you take any metal, active metal, react with acid, it will give you what? Salt plus hydrogen gas is evolved. For example, you take zinc. Here I have taken zinc. When you react with dilute sulfuric acid, H2SO4, it gives you zinc sulfate plus hydrogen bubbles is evolved. Is it clear? Next, last characteristic is what? Formation of a precipitate. What is my precipitate? Precipitate is nothing but a insoluble solid. This is called as precipitate. Like a curd. Curd is what? Precipitate. Yes or no? So whenever during the process there is a formation of a precipitate, then we can say that chemical reaction has taken place. I have taken an example, barium chloride solution. I have taken and sodium sulfate. Once you mix these two solutions, children, what will happen? You will get a white color precipitate of barium sulfate plus twice of NaCl. Aqueous what will be what? NaCl. Okay, so these are the 5 characteristics of chemical reaction. In the exams, they can ask for 2 marks to 3 marks. Generally, they will ask 2 marks means you have to just mention the characteristics. Okay, thank you.